Hey guys, it's Clinton reporting to you live from New York. Just keeping you guys updated on what I'm up to, and I hope you guys are enjoying the trades. Yeah, it's Clinton. Welcome to the Only Profits Academy. And what we have right in front of us this morning is the Euro Yen. And I'm going to be attempting to sell the Euro Yen to that price. The Euro Yen has been in a heavy sell trend for most of the week. And all I've been doing is taking little scalps here and there and following it to profit. And the last trade I was able to record for you guys was one of my numerous trading systems where I left the market with over $20,000. And as you can see, some dumb money traders are still trying to buy the market in a sell trend. It's just ridiculous. Yeah, I'm in the trade already, looking at leaving the market with over $5,000 in each position. This is probably going to be my last trade for the week, and I couldn't take a lot of trades this week because I actually had a trip from Miami to I came down here to New York to cover some some meetings and link up with a couple of one on in-person students. So yeah, I'm in the trade already. Everything looks good. Let's see what the market has in store for us today. And if this trade hits take profit, I would have successfully made over 100% of my initial deposits. So yeah, let's see what the market has in store for us today. Whoa. Well. What do we have here? As you can see, dumb money traders were trying to, you know, stop the inevitable. They're trying to stop, just messing around with their own capital. But as you can see, we're moving in profits, over $5,000 in profits. Yeah, so everything looks good, running in heavy profits. Hopefully, this trade hits take profit, and I can show you guys how consistent this is. So I'm going to get back to you guys in a bit, and let's see what the market has in store for us. My goodness. This is too easy. Easy fucking money. Over $10,000 worth of profits made again today. And there is literally no time for playing around. It's time for most of you guys to unify your thinking and follow the straight and clear path of becoming a successful Forex trader. If you couldn't make, or you couldn't become the best versions of yourself as far as trading the market goes in 2021, do not sleep on yourselves in 2022. This week I have successfully made over $30,000 trading the Forex market. And your account history is a reflection of the kind of trader that you are. If you have losses, you're a loser. And if your account history has back-to-back wins, like mine, I always say this, I'm either winning or not losing. And this is the level of confidence I want you guys to be able to attain, because this is too easy. This is too easy. Some of you guys will be like, oh yeah, you need a lot of capital to trade, blah blah blah. There are millionaires that lose millions of dollars trading the Forex market consistently. It's not about your capital. The only thing you need to make yourself successful trading the Forex market is access to the right information and applying it, practicing, and consistently seeing progress. And that is what makes you confident, and that is what makes you actually make money. Some of you guys are so carried away with the bullshit. If support and resistance always works, there are support and resistance videos with millions of views on YouTube. If every single person that watched that video applied it, they'll be millionaires by now. These things do not work. If 95% of traders fail, think outside the fucking box. Fuck. I mean, like, I'm gonna go ahead and make a withdrawal because it's actually just 9 a.m. here in New York. I'm gonna make a withdrawal and I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna make a $50,000 withdrawal. Something light to award myself for the hard work I've been putting into this account. So I'm gonna make a $50,000 withdrawal, and yeah, I'm gonna keep you guys in the loop. It was nice showing you guys myself following the market to profit again. If you found any value in this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. And if you want to get to see more videos like this, as soon as they drop, click the notification button. And yeah, I'm gonna keep you guys updated when I make the withdrawal. What up, guys? I'm back, and if you notice, my account balance is short of $50,000, and the reason being is, drum roll, wait for it, boom, I just made a withdrawal of $50,000. I made this withdrawal on Friday morning, and it actually came in on Friday night, actually, but I was out with my friends, and I just decided to keep you guys updated on this account. It was an amazing, last week was an amazing week. I made over $30,000 worth of profits, and I decided to make a $50,000 withdrawal from a $200,000 account. So now I have already made a withdrawal of $2,000 of my money, and I still have over $150,000 left in my account. So the deal is that I actually want to take this account to about $1 million right in front of you guys, scalping the market and following the market to profit, showing you guys that this is possible. Look at my account history. Take profit hits time after time. I always say this: I am either winning or not losing. This is easy. This is kind of consistency I want you guys to be able to achieve. And I do not trade a lot of currency pairs. I do not take a lot of trades. You can scroll through the dates, but I make a lot of money because when you have a system that you're confident in, you're confident that anytime you get into the market, you're definitely leaving with profit. I want you guys to be inspired. I want you guys to know that this is possible and that there's going to be more trades. Yeah. If you have any questions concerning how I trade, how I look at the market, how I scalp the market, feel free to send me an email or a message. And if you want to buy the course, you can visit the website. If you want to copy my trades, if you're too busy with work, with family, with school, or just busy out there making the world a better place, and you want to copy my trades and leave the market with profits with myself and the team, you can also visit the website or send me a message. Just keeping you guys updated on the account. It's a couple of minutes after 10 p.m. here in New York. I'm gonna go I'm gonna go to bed right now, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, share, and subscribe once again, and hey guys, have a nice one.